Hello, welcome back.
Dude! Yeah, another vlog. But there's like 10 minutes left. Epic.
Hello. I love how he wakes up with a camera in his face. He never gets a break. Good morning.
Good morning, Cameron.
Introduction. Amazing introduction. Okay, well there we go. That's gonna be a daily tradition of always splatting into a bed, whether it's forced or natural, or his bed or the like another person's bed. Anyway, we all just woke up. We all took a shower. Well, no, just me and JP took a shower because them all take showers in night. Well, today, after breakfast, we're gonna go ahead and go to the new Parliament House, and then that's all I remember, to be honest. All right. Well, we have to wear our school uniforms. So representing, we got cereal as usual. Breakfast time. I saw what you did, that evil thing. Owen.
Yeah?
Where did you get the key?
What do you mean where I got the key?
You get him.
Hold on, Kai, you unlocked it!
Burn, guys, I'm the best at lockpicking ever.
I diagnosed you with birth.
Let's
There
go.
we go.
Alright, well, see you, Kai.
Bye, guys.
Let's go. Hello, good morning. Happy fourth vlog. Yeah, vlog 4, yeah.
Okay.
We're now heading away to the Parliament House, the new one. It's gonna be lit. We'll see you guys there. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. And we're parking on the ground. Alright, JP, mission to find souvenir coins, okay?
Alright. We're collecting them all.
Gotta collect them all. Souvenir coins. So you wanna meet the Prime Minister of Australia?
Yeah, he must be.
Whoa. So, interview right here. What do you think of the place so far?
It's big.
Pretty big? What do you think of the place so far?
It's pretty specky.
Old Parliament House right there.
I diagnosed that gun with to shoot.
It's a great view. Yo, I'm right in the center.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because
Now I can say I stole a rock from the new Parliament House. Nope. Yeet. School entry. We have to go through
I'll
security.
put my jacket on then.
It's like an airport now.
Someone do security. We're scared someone might take a bomb and blow up. This is the Parliament House. Like, let's understand.
We're in Parliament House, lads. Yeah, there's a gift shop like over there. We'll check it out later.
So every Prime Minister gets a portrait no matter how little time they might have served. And they are all done by different Australian artists.
House of Representatives. This is just beautiful.
We have 2 rooms in our Parliament that we debate out of. This one here is our biggest room, our biggest chamber. Now, does anybody know how many members come and sit in here? Did somebody say 150?
Yes.
Yes, you are very, very close. So 151.
Oh.
So very
Oh,
close.
we got that one person.
So we get one representative for every electorate. As our population rises, we add in more electorates. So welcome to our Senate chamber. Thank you. So this one is smaller than our House of Representatives. You can see it's physically smaller. That's because we have a lot less senators who come and sit in here. Can I take a guess at how many 76? 76. Absolutely. But our clocks here, we have about 2,700 clocks. Also play an important role. So between the 7 and the 8 and the 4 and the 5, 2 little squares. One flashes green if it's a vote happening in the House, and one flashes red if it's a vote happening in the Senate. Okay? If you are, say, a senator in your office, you hear the bells ringing, the first thing you do is look at your clock. If it's flashing red, of course you know that you have to quickly make your way to your chamber because you need to vote. If it's flashing green, you know that it's a vote in the House and you don't need to worry about it. So we're pretty lucky here at Parliament House. We do receive gifts from all over the world, particularly if our Prime Minister is visiting a country or if the head of state is visiting here. We do exchange gifts. So we're pretty much out of time for our tour. But I wanted to bring you past here. This is my favorite object in Parliament House. It's called the Dancing Walrus.
Look at the view. It is delightful. Looks like ice cream or something.
Two flavor, just like a roller.
Oh.
They put it in the blender.
Does it taste good? We can say we ate in the Parliament House at least.
Don't want it.
You don't want it. Alright, I gotta get this documented. I'm eating in Parliament House. I mean, oh, 50-50, right? Yeah. 50-50. Well, I can tell Kai liked his. Yeah. Well, there goes the end of the tour, lads. We'll see you guys at the shop right about now. Okay, change of plans. We're actually going to the rooftop of the Parliament House. This guy's claustrophobic. Just breathe. Just breathe. Door's closing in. Door's closing in. I'm joking. Just breathe.
Yes, yes.
Just breathe. Just breathe. Just breathe. Just breathe. Wow, yes. It's a beautiful view. Alright, let's go. If you land this is gonna be epic gamer moment.
Right, if you land this, you become the next King of England. And Australia and Canada and many other places.
Oh,
So bad.
go look for souvenirs.
So I'm gonna go look for a koala and then we're gonna.
Oh, there you go, a koala. Coins. Souvenir coins, where's souvenir coins? Oh, bingo!
And they come in the things.
Oh. Lads, we found them. Mission succeed. Alright, I'm getting these, lads. They also have like parliament. It's nice. You're getting that for your knees. Oh, sister, not knees. I'm getting these. So good. One for my brother. Alright, we're now leaving the Parliament House. I got some stuff to give to my family, which is nice. Alright, we just found out we're going to the embassy of Indonesia. Yeah. So, and then after that we have lunch, and then we go to War Memorial. So, Embassy of Indonesia. Whoa. That's a beautiful stair. Alright lads, we're going in. I don't think I'll be able to record everything. So I'm just gonna skip through it unless I find something important. Alright, I might as well record a little bit. So we've been here for like 30 minutes already. I think we're watching a puppet show now or something. I don't know. Dude, look at that. Like there's some. Oh. Oh. Dead. Alright, let's see behind. Whoa. Well, that was rather interesting. We just finished. If you fall, it'll be hilarious. Fall.
Oh, so now we go to lunch.
Took the words right out of my mouth. We're going to lunch and then the Australian War Memorial. So, let's go. Second embassy area. There's no Philippines. I'm very disappointed. Alright, we're currently at Australian War Memorial. I think this is where we're gonna have our lunch. We got water, orange, sausage. Okay, lads. We have hot dog for lunch. How do you feel about that?
I don't know why, but I love hot dog. Oh, fuck.
Okay, okay. Is that Morse code for help me? I don't like my life and I want to go back to Adelaide. Is that a Morse code for yes?
Yes.
Okay. And this kid loves hot dogs apparently. All right, let's go. Okay, we got some hot dog, popcorn. Hot dog. You got popcorn, oranges as well. That's nice. Alright, we're here at Australian War Memorial. Whoa. What? A chain?
GED, man.
Are you trying to say chain? Jed. Okay.
GED.
What's wrong with that, huh?
Jazzy, Ethan, David.
Oh.
It's our group name.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna scare David.
Kid? Oh, mom. Kid?
Yeah, scare you, kid. They have air effects, they have light effects, they have sound effects.
This is actually sick. Let's go. You may not know, but like, there's like air coming down on us right now.
Oh, that's a fan. Yo. Yo, Bob. Jeez. Oh my god. Beautiful. There's also an upstairs. The second floor talks about the following list. This was the first floor's stuff or information. If I miss any of them, just read them through here.
It's weird how we just like. Break these kids on me. Wait, later.
Alright, lads. We're in the souvenir shop. Over here. There's a red one and a purple one. Which one should I get? A red one or a purple one?
How much are they?
$5. Yeah, red one.
$5. Red one's good.
Yeah, red one's good. Alright, I'm gonna get one of these.
Well,
Yeah.
you're supposed to roll it from there.
It's the only coin I have.
Oh, frick. Let's go.
We're finally in the bus. It's been like 4 hours in there. Just walking around. I'm so tired. How about you, sir? Are you tired?
Same. I feel so tired.
Especially if I have to edit. Guys, I have to edit every night, okay? Last night I literally slept like 2 a.m. and just to get a video out. Vlog 3, okay? That's fun fact. Help me. But we're going to the dorms. And then dinner. And then Dinosaur Museum. And then suffering from editing. and then sleep. Probably like another 3 hour, 4 hour sleep. That's gonna be Monday. We're going to the dorms. Woo! I got 2 coins, 70 coins. As usual. I am a coin collector. But yeah, did you get anything, sir?
No.
Okay, do you have anything else to say?
No.
Okay, well, transition to his forehead. We're back at the dorms, currently in my bed. Now we have to pack. We have like an hour left till dinner. We have to pack, and then after dinner we have to pack. I have to edit, so I'll be editing, and then after the museum I'll be packing.
I really don't have that much to pack though.
Well, same.
All my dirty clothes are in a bag. So I legit just throw the bag in there and that's it.
But yeah, Kai's having a spa right there.
Can't breathe in the toilet.
Alright, well I have to edit for this current video right now, for it to be uploaded before we leave. So this is gonna be our last night in this dorm area thing, in our bedroom thingy. Our last night. Goodbye world, goodbye Canberra. Guys, click that like button if you want me to record us coming back from Canberra to Adelaide. So I'll start the vlog at like night. Anyways, we'll see you guys on dinner. The next thing will be dinner. Whoop! Getting our last dinner, Owen.
The last supper.
Our last supper in this place. Alright, take guesses. What is our last supper?
Schnitzel. Schnitzel.
You saw it already.
Yeah, I did. That's what I'm saying, schnitzel.
Our last supper, lads. This is our last supper in this place.
I don't even know her name.
We ran out of rolls,
What's
but
your
this is
name?
pretty good.
Name.
We got our final dessert / ice cream. Alright, we're now leaving. Dinosaur Museum time, lads.
Already went home.
Introducing Australia's largest dinosaur display. The Dinosaur Museum. Oh my god. Yo, JP. Get in that mouth. Oh, yo. The world of dinosaurs.
I found you.
Oh my god. It's a beautiful beast. Oh yes, there's a souvenir shop. Souvenir shop detected. Souvenir coin undetected. Follow them. Why are we following a dinosaur footprint? I have no idea. Oh. Oh yes.
What do we think we're going to see in this museum today? Dinosaurs, perfect, skeletons, fossils, other things of that nature. So yes, we will see some humans, like us. We'll also see some dinosaurs, some fossils, some things that are not dinosaurs, some things that are not fossils. These are all things, however, that were alive before humans.
Alright, gift shop, lads. Quest to find the souvenir coin. Let's go. Oh, dinosaurs. Oh, found it. Souvenir coin. They actually sell these. That's pretty cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like, share, subscribe, do all those stuff. Okay, hit that little bell. We just left the Dinosaur Museum. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Vlog number 4 is now over. Peace out.